Okay, we have a underground water leak from the main underneath the driveway slab. This is the hole I did yesterday. It rained overnight, so I gotta dig out a little more. So, just gonna fix it today. Alright, I just digged it out. So this is what the main line looks like. It's made out of PVC. So it busted because see, it kept on turning off the water and it blew out one of the fittings. So I'm gonna repair it. Obviously they're not aligned and it's like going up. So right now it's gonna be an awkward setup. It ain't gonna look like the prettiest, but this is how the contractor wants it. Because I'm at a residential home, but it's under a contractor. So what he wants me to do is put a 45 here. It's gonna come out, 45 this way, and it's gonna go this way, 90, and 90 in. So it's not the prettiest setup. It ain't gonna be the nicest, but it's how the contractor wants it. So 45 straight, 45, come out, 90, 90. All right, I'm gonna be using schedule 80 fittings because on the previous fitting, it was schedule 40. So for this one, we use schedule 80. We'll go from there. All the things, up. Get in this awkward position. All right, let it sit for about an hour. So let's put it to test. Yep, all good. No leaks.